Hey guys, Ian here from Assure Your Soul. Today we're going to be taking a look at a unboxing for the TurboSmart Boost Gauge. This goes from 0 to 30 psi. Model number is TS0101-2023. And yeah, we're going to be doing an install on this for the Mark III Supra. And but first, we're going to take a look at the unboxing. So here we go.
So the unboxing process is pretty simple. Just had to break the tape on the little flappies there and slide out the box here. Once the box was open, you'll find a little bag with accessories, just like a tee and a few mounting stuff. After that, you'll find a vacuum hose, which actually turned out pretty difficult to work with. You'll see in the write-up on our website. And then a shade, and then finally the gauge itself. And in case you were wondering, that little round circle thing that you see on the lens there is a plastic protector to ensure it doesn't get scratched in shipping. It's not really part of the lens itself. And this is just a close-up of everything we got in the box here. After the install, we went out to do fuel pulls, just make sure that we can see some activity on the gauge cluster. Luckily, everything came out okay. I just got to find a better mounting point, obviously. But yeah, it was pretty good. If you want to see how the install went, make sure to click the link down in the description, and you'll see how that went.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's all for the unboxing today, but if you want to see how the install went on our 1987 Toyota Supra, you can make sure to click the description down below for a link to our website. See you later.